Time to link up with the crew again. You know how we roll. Link up with the crew again. Heart I love you know what that we are different. Syrup with a pound and the grab a blend. Money in a pocket and the office spend. Girl I dash out. All I wanna do is link up with my friends. You know how we party when we touch by the ends. Oh God, the G-Wagon Benz. So free.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome guys. It's me alone today again, people. And today I'll be sharing with you my recipe how I prepared chocolate chips cookie. I'll be making chocolate chips cookie for breakfast tomorrow morning. So I'm going to go ahead tonight and prepare the chocolate chips cookie so that my kids can have chocolate chips cookie for breakfast tomorrow morning. Come along with us guys, or I should say come along with me, and let me show you how I make my chocolate chips cookie. A big thank you to all my subscribers, all 500 and that uno. We reach over 500 subscribers guys. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers, and thank you very much for subscribing, for commenting all those nice comments, for clicking on that notification bell. Thank you. And we love and appreciate you from the bottom of our hearts. Come on, we're gonna be a cookie. Here I have all my ingredients. This is 3 cups of flour, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And this is the chocolate chips I'm going to be putting in today's recipe, the chocolate chips cookie. And here I'm adding the sugar in my melted butter, whipped together. Change the mixer and mix another going on, whipping and going on. I have to transfer it in a deeper container, breaking the egg, 2 eggs, add the egg to the mixture. Egg number 2, mix again, and now I'm transferring it back into the original bowl. Vanilla, mix a little, sieve and mix the flour, baking powder and the salt together, and sieve in the batter, in the mixture. And the flour, you pour it in 3 portions and mix along as you pour it in. The cookie dough start to form, and now I'll be adding 1 cup. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of chocolate chips, but it was about 3/4 cup, and this will make it exactly 1 cup of chocolate chips. If you want guys, you can add more chocolate chips if you want, but I didn't have any more chocolate chips, so I use what I have. And now I clean my area. I place a grease sheet on my baking rack, and now I'm going to mold my cookies in a ball. And for that I put on gloves. And I'm going to put it in the oven for bake for about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to let them bake for about 10-20 minutes, and then I come back and show you how they look. And there you have it, guys. The cookies are now ready. I'm going to take them out. Here they are. 6 delicious cookies. I'm going to leave them. So they can cool. They're still hot. They just came out of the oven. I'm going to leave them like this for them to cool. Here's the finished product of the cookie. I'm going to take a bite out of my delicious cookie. Mmm. So delicious. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And catch you all in our next video. Bye bye.